So I was thinking about authority and very aware of the fact that it's been one of the biggest things that we've been talking about in the past, 10, 12 years. So it must be pretty important, at least to us. And the first thing I thought about was the fact that Jesus, it says that he says that all authority has been given to him. So the question is he the one who holds the authority and we don't get it? But then you read where Jesus is with his disciples in the 72, and it says he gave them authority. So literally we are participating in the authority that Jesus himself has. In Matthew 28, it says, all authority in heaven and earth has been given to me. Go therefore. So Jesus was in fact exercising authority over our lives, which basically means that his authority is only working if our lives are impacting the world. Whoa. That basically if he has authority, then we should be moving. So we have to understand whether or not Jesus really has authority over our lives, whether or not he really is our Lord. I was thinking about this word authority as well. I was thinking about a policeman, and he may have been given full authority to do anything, but until he does it, until he exercises it, he can have all the authority he wants. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean a thing until he steps out in front of cars and says, stop. There's something that has to occur in our behavior that manifests the authority that's in our lives. We don't have authority if we don't ever manifest it. It has been given to us, but it doesn't work until we release it. You got to release the authority, or it will never flow through your life. So if you have authority over the sick, you got to pray for them. If you got authority over the dead being raised, you have to go and release that. If you have authority to prophesy to nations, you need to go to the nations and you need to prophesy over them. If you have authority to release any aspect of the kingdom, it requires some form of obedience. And then when we begin understanding that we're following through on that whole obedience, we need to understand that's when Jesus' authority is actually working. Until that time, his authority doesn't work, because authority requires that there is an activity that corresponds to that authority that he has. In my life, he has authority. I hope he does in yours too.